This short video will show you how to replace the ball bearing of the oscillation weight. To remove the worn down ball bearing, you'll need a special tool. I will use this tool by HOROTEC with an adjustment head fitting only the ETA 7750. A custom support is also needed, which is used to support the oscillation weight. Herefore, an oscillation weight bolt support has been especially designed for the caliber ETA 7750 Valjoux. On the top side, this support has a special milling where the sprocket of the ball bearing fits perfectly. This tool isn't really necessary to complete this job, and also it's quite expensive. That's the reason why I will be using an ordinary LATCH block for this tutorial. Support the ball bearing on the metal LATCH block. Get a firm grip on the rotor and make sure the ball bearing lies completely flat against the LATCH block. Next, place the HOROTEC tool perpendicular over the oscillation weight bolt and turn it a quarter counterclockwise. It is important to keep enough pressure downwards to avoid slipping of the tool. Also make sure the tool is kept locked in place. When you've turned the tool far enough, you'll notice the oscillation weight bolt will come loose. The oscillation weight bolt and ball bearing are disassembled and now can be replaced. To the left the new ball bearing, to the right the worn down one. Place a piece of plastic foil on top of the LATCH block. This protects the new ball bearing from damaging. Next, place the new ball bearing on the corner of the LATCH block. Carefully place the rotor over the ball bearing. Place back the oscillation weight bolt over the ball bearing. Make sure the 4 even sides of the oscillation weight bolt correspond with the 4 even sides of the ball bearing. As you can see in this example. Last, use the HOROTEC tool to fasten the oscillation weight bolt over the new ball bearing. To do this, turn it a quarter clockwise. The new ball bearing has been installed. It's important to check if the ball bearing is installed nice and flat against the rotor. Alright, now the oscillation weight can do its job like it is supposed to. Future wear down of the movement will also be prevented. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and then I see you in the next video. Thank you.